Hello everybody and welcome back to BAKEMAS. It's very spooky in here. Definitely can tell I have some green juice in my teeth. You can't get juice. It's more of like a smoothie. You don't care. Today we are making churros. Now, before any of you attack me in the comments, I don't know if these traditional took an Adderall. It's gonna take a minute though to kick in. I don't know if these are traditional churros. I looked up as many recipes as I could. All of them were slightly different, so I'm going with the one from Seville. Maybe a little bit of like influence from the Bon Appetit one. Yeah, I guess we're gonna try it. I don't want you to hate me. Also, this makes a lot of churros. You can't like have the recipe because you need a whole egg. So let's make some churros, or attempt to make them, not claiming to be your grandma's churros. Have I said that enough times? So in this
steaming bowl, we have
water that's boiling, and then we also put in our butter, salt, vanilla, and a cinnamon stick, but I don't have one. So butter, oh, I should have done this before it was boiling. Butter and water together, just like weird. Butter, salt, and vanilla. Okay, butter, salt, vanilla. So now we have our vanilla, butter, water, and we just wait. Now that this is boiling, we add in our flour, stirring constantly. So now remember, this is that time where I made cream puffs and I just kept stirring. Oh God.
Oh God.
Oh, I needed a bigger bowl.
You're gonna need a bigger
bowl. That's when I melted the spatula, so using a wooden one. Oh no, it shouldn't have worked out today. My boob's gonna fall out. Oh, I need a bigger bowl. Sorry. Oh my God, I'm running too fast. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. Oh my God, oh no. Okay, it's happening. Off, go away.
Nearby?
No, I didn't read that part till just now. Why are you, don't call me out! I did it.
Nice.
Okay.
That was smooth.
Thank you so much. Oh, this is hot. Now I'm gonna already start that's great. Heating the oil, and now we add in the egg. Fast, don't cook. I mean cook, but just don't scramble. Get out there. Oh, you're hot. I forgot how hot you are. Oh my God, I hate when they like specifically say like stir vigorously. And I'm like, the fuck else do you think I'm stirring it? My arm is on fire! I started making so many sex noises. It makes you feel any better. It's not the noises I make during sex. Good God! Hey! Fuck.
Looks good to me.
Oh, thank God. You don't really know though, do you?
Yeah, no, I know.
Cool. Oh my God, sorry. Just burped right into you. Okay, so now...
Wait, were you talking to me or the pot of shoe?
So I'm gonna take this and put it into a piping bag fitted with a star attachment. I could have used this for my tricep weight today.
Dragging hot oil across the counter. Good, good.
We get ready to fry this shit. This is some canola oil. You want to use a neutral flavored oil to fry things, also with a high smoking point. Our oil is
hot as fuck,
and we are supposed to pipe out a couple of inches, and then we cut it with scissors. Oh God. Okay. Oh, you're gonna fall up on your own. You turned the air conditioning up, didn't you?
Yep.
Okay, flip this one. Fully sweating. I feel like you're kind of golden brown. Oh, it smells like Disneyland. This one looks good. You look pretty good. And then you can be good. Okay, dry these babies off, and then they get rolled in cinnamon sugar. Don't touch things that are too hot, kids. Do as I say, not as I do. Into the cinnamon sugar. Cuties! My God, I'm in a full sweat. Hot. Fry faster, little fuckers. Hey, you know, that sounds like an innocent statement when you listen to my podcast. So we call our audience, so it's a little fucked up, Megan. Telling them to fry. Aislinn Pa, would you like to come try? And she's coming round the mountain right now. Here, she's here. Aislinn Pa!
Such a fast version of the song.
Yeah, I don't know the rest of the words. So would you like to try?
Oh, that's really good.
Is it?
Yeah, it's like crunchy on the outside and then smooth on the inside, just like a classic churro. Well done!
Ooh. My comparison to churros is Disneyland, so.
If someone presented these to me and said, well, other than you, if I went to someone's home for dinner and they presented these to me and was just like, yeah, I made these for dessert, I'd be really impressed. They're really good.
Wait, so you wouldn't be impressed if I did that?
No.
Okay guys, that is it. I would love to know what like traditional churro recipes you guys have, like how you serve them.
Or what you like dipping them in
Yeah.
too.
So not coming for anybody's grandma. I'm just attempting to do what I learned online. And who knows if it even turned out well. She might be lying to me. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. We've got a bunch more days left. Don't know off the top of my head. And if you want to see pictures, they're on my blog as well as my Instagram. Check us out, our socials down below. If you want to listen to my podcast, Shop Marty, both of those things, everything listed down below. Those are all of my links. I was gonna do a Jake Paul thing, but I don't, can you only do it this way?
No.
I don't know. We'll see you guys next time. Tomorrow. Goodbye. I was gonna say happy baking, but no. I don't know, I've never done it this way, so this feels weird.
It feels so unnatural. Other way, but this way. This is so normal for me.
Okay.